Hi guys, good morning. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my another Sunday vlog. And today's Sunday vlog is hopefully going to be a little productive one because I do have plans of doing a few things throughout the day that will eventually make it productive. I hope so. So yeah, that's that. Right now I'm in my kitchen to make myself some matcha tea. Okay, now last vlog maybe I made some matcha tea with you people, but that went a little bad, I would say, because I did not sieve the matcha and the cinnamon powder as well. So this time I'm gonna sieve both of these things first, and then only I'm gonna add my homemade coconut milk to it. Yes, I use homemade coconut milk for making my iced matcha latte. So this is what we're gonna do now. And my skin, as you can see, is not doing great these days. I have these tiny little bumps all over my forehead which are very irritating. I used to have a little over here as well, but those are almost gone. So yeah, I'm just trying to deal with my healing skin these days with a few new skincare products and stuff that I'll talk about later in this video only. So for now, let's just make some matcha tea for ourselves, iced cold matcha latte, and I'll have that along with my new books. I'm gonna talk to people about my new books as well. So let's just make that first and have that first. If I be really honest with you, I had added too much of tea, matcha tea, into my latte, and that's why it had become a little bitter. So I had to add like a lot more honey on the top so as to just, you know, balance it out. I'm still not well versed with the proportions of how much matcha, how much honey, how much cinnamon you have to add to get a perfect cup of matcha latte. So that I really have to learn, and it has turned pretty okayish again. But the last time I made it was really fine because that time मैंने over add नहीं किया था matcha excitement में. So that's that. Also, this is my new book that I was talking about. This is Deep Work by Cal Newport, and this is something that I got on the recommendation of this girl who makes videos on books recommendations. So I was in a need of getting some really good self-help book because I was reading too much of fictional books, and I realized that I was slacking really on my productivity in life. So I thought, let me just get a self-help book this time. And yes, this is my new book. I have read a couple of pages only, hardly 5 to 10 pages, I believe so. And yes, this is a really nice book on deep work. So far, whatever I've read, I'm talking from that perspective only. So yeah, I'm gonna start reading my book now, along with having my little nice bitter matcha latte. And yeah, this is my morning on today's Sunday morning. this has turned out pretty nice, and I was really starving. That's why I did not talk to people about the taste test, the first impressions or anything. I think the sweetness of apples and carrots and the tanginess of lemon and the crunch of what peanuts and corns have really brought out this flavorful taste all together in the salad, and it's really yummy, I would say, but not like delicious yummy. So I'm gonna finish having it and then I'll probably take my shower. Look at my behind the scenes. I have to clean all of this mess now, and yes, this is what goes behind filming those aesthetic shots that you just saw of me making my salad. Hi guys, I'm back after having my lunch, and this is usually the time when I take my mandatory afternoon nap, like post lunch nap. But today we are not doing so. Today we are doing something different because I have to film this skincare video today, and yes, now is the time when I have to do it, otherwise I'll just totally skip doing it today. And yes, I have also painted my nails white, so I cannot let them go waste. I'm literally dreading it because I do have to sit literally in the outside portion of my house, which I'll very soon show you, where there is no fan, no air, nothing. So it's really very hot. It's around 3 p.m. right now. I might even start sweating while filming my video, so I'm really not feeling like doing it, but I cannot push it to another day, another time. And yes, I have to do this very little setup around that place, very jugadu setup that I'll very soon show you. I also have to change my t-shirt into some nice white cute top. So that's all what I'm gonna do for the preppings, and then we'll begin with the filming. So let me just take you with me and show you the entire setup. Okay, this is basically the entryway to my upper portion of the house, guys, and this is the staircase that leads to the down portion. This is all the mess in this corner that I do not want to talk about, and that is the spot where I sit down to film my videos, because this is literally the only place in my house where I get the real sunshine, like the direct sunlight through on my face, on my stuff. So yes, I just showed you this very spot where I film all my skincare videos, and I literally place like random things, some plants, or hang some fake plant, or hang something else to make the backdrop a little aesthetic for the nice skincare videos. And that's like the same thing that I'm gonna do even now. I'm feeling like placing one snake plant in one corner right now, and then on the other side I'll hang something probably. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm literally feeling like giving up on the idea because the sun is killing me right now. It's super hot even standing here for like a minute to talk to you guys. So I'm just gonna go and change into my nice little clothes and just sit down here, do the setup and film the video and just get done with it. Guys, I'm ready with this cutesy top on. It's so cute. I got it years back from Myntra, and it's so cute. By the way, my little nice setup has only one snake plant sitting in the corner because I did not feel the need of putting anything else. It would have turned really cluttered otherwise. And here are all the skincare products that I have to talk about in my today's video. Here is my tripod along with the ring light, and yes, this is all the setup. We are now beginning with the real shoot, and yes, I wish myself some luck. Let's just begin. Guys, this drink is just so refreshing, just so yummy. Like after shooting my video in the afternoon, I just crashed out. Like I was so tired and I was so sleepy, so I just preferred sleeping over everything, even giving you people any updates. So I just woke up a while back and I just made myself this refreshing drink, which has just some water, some ice, some cucumbers, some chia seeds, honey and lemon inside it. And oh my god, this is my absolute favorite drink these summers. I'm having it every once in a while. Whenever I'm home, I just make it and just have it and just feel very very refreshed. So yeah, I'm having this for now, and after this I think after half an hour I have to step out to get some groceries, because I have to just buy some groceries. So we're gonna go to this supermarket to buy some groceries for ourselves, and I also have to go to the print wala bhaiya to get these two pictures printed for my future video, like one of the future videos that you will be seeing in future definitely. So this is what we are doing for now, and yeah, let's just have this and finish it. Almost, not almost, like actually 50% of new skincare products.